Ministry ya Githomo ikihariria gukinyaniria mendekithia ma kamiti iria ikoretwo igithurima mogaruruku sector-ini ya Githomo. KIAMA kia arutani anene a thukuru cia SECONDRY ni magathiriirie mamwe ma mendekithia ma kamiti ino na oho kuruta mahitia icunje itiganite ciayo. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki KINDIMULI, kunyihio kwa namba ya mathomo maria arutwo makoretwo magithoma kwaya gugacungiriria ukunderu wa mieke ya arutwo gucagura kothi kana pathway iria mundu angenda kurumirira thiini wa gikiro gia senior school.
As we internationalize a curriculum, in my view, we need to give a wide range of options in which a child can pick, because identification of talent, we cannot narrow it.
Akigerekania na mutaratara wa githomo wa 844, INDIMULI ni ahinyiriirie bata wa kuhe arutwo ihinda ria gwikurana na kwimenya mategute mwerekera wa githomo.
KICD is most likely going to do. They are going to look at maybe where there are overlaps and similarities and try to merge those into one learning area or one subject, and with time the content in a given learning area may be too much.
INDIMULI akiuga ministry ya githomo ni ifatie kuhika muno mitaratara ya watho ya kuramata mathomo thiini wa gikiro gia senior school niguo kuhe mwerekera mehariria ihindini ria miaka iri iria tigarite.
We need to be able to do some categorization of sort, not necessarily calling them national or what. I agree that they will be named according to the pathways, but we should not insist that all the schools be able to take all the three pathways. In my view, those that are still coming up as far as their infrastructure is concerned maybe should be allowed to take two pathways, while others that are very well endowed then be asked to take the three pathways.
Ona kuhanura uguo ni atugiritie mamwe ma mendekithia ma riboti ino kwa muhiano guthurimwo kwa mathomo maria marihuthiragwo ni kanju ya igeranio kugereka arutwo igeranio-ini, akiuga mutaratara wa hau kabere ni urahingagiriria arutwo aingi nja ona riria gwakinya ni gucagura kothi cia university.
So it's a welcome idea that only one of the languages will be taken. So if I'm good in Kiswahili, it will help me have my good grade. If my English is low, it will not affect my mean score. That is highly appreciated.
Oho akinyita mbaru mubango wa ugai wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma thukuru gutigithukanio na mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo, akiuga kigina giki ni giguteithiriria ukuria wa mathukuru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.